Hi, welcome to GreenAkers. Today we're going to be going over our 5-bedroom, 4-bath barndominium that we're in the process of building in central Minnesota right now. And we're on about 25 acres, and it's going to be about 3,000 square feet of living space.
Yep, don't forget to help out our YouTube channel, like and subscribe.
All right, so we're going to start with the front elevation, and basically the driveway is going to come up into the garage door area here, and ultimately we kind of realized, right, that the garage door, or the entry, or curb appeal, I guess I should say, may not be the best.
No, but we also designed our house so that all of the beautiful views and things that we want to be living in and looking at are out the back, because that's where the woods are, that's where the beautiful views are. So
Right, so the curb appeal could be a little better, but ultimately we're looking for that back view anyways. And so ultimately we're going to have a walkway, a covered walkway here. And if we look kind of on the side elevation, you can see this here in terms of you'll walk from here. This is a garage door into the pole barn area, and then this is really our front door is right here. And this covered patio or covered walkway is like 50 something feet long. And so definitely, a pretty nice area for sitting as well if we want to. And then this side elevation, there's nothing really we want to see on this side of the house, and so we kind of made it so that there's really not a lot to look out of any windows from that standpoint. So you want to talk about the back elevation a little bit?
yeah, that's probably my favorite part. So right here is centered under this is the kitchen sink, and it's looking out over our just amazing field and long grasses and woods. Full length door here, glass, and then inside there's the wood stove, but here is just amazing picture windows that are just beautiful, and all of that we've done on purpose. So you might come up to our house and think, what is this? But really, this is where it's at.
All right, so yeah, that kind of covers the elevations. So now we're going to kind of go into the actual plans for this house. So as we said in the intro, it's a 5-bed, 4-bath house. And so we're going to start in the garage. So again, we're going to come up into the garage area. It's going to be a 40 feet by 32 feet in terms of the area, so about 1,200 square feet with the 3 garage doors, one of them being a 10-foot one. And this is also going to be vaulted in here, so it's 10-foot sidewalls with a 15-foot peak for the vaulted area. And we have a couple of windows on the south side of the garage area. And then also part of that is going to be our mechanical room. So our entry into the mechanical room is off the garage area. So that's going to be where like our forced air furnace is going to be, as well as our in-floor heat. So we're going to have in-floor heat throughout the whole house, including the garage area. So we're going to have 3 different zones for that. And then just our other typical things, our well, water softener, water heater, all those different things are going to be in the mechanical room. And so that's kind of our garage area type space. And then ultimately, like I was saying before, our covered walkway, it's 56 feet long, and it's a 6-foot wide walkway that's going to be cement. And so we have a nice long walk up to our front door here. And so do you want to talk about the mudroom a little bit here and what that's going to look like?
Yeah, so in our last house, we didn't have much storage, and probably close to none, and no mud room or anything like that. So this is exciting for me because through the garage and through the front door, you'll enter a large mudroom space where there's a half bathroom, toilet, sink, and then also there's a walk-in closet with a pocket door, so we can kind of close off, that everyday stuff, like all the snow pans, all the boots. We live in Minnesota. There's a lot of stuff. We have every season here. So this is just really exciting for me to have all the space to welcome friends and family and their things, but also be able to close off all the stuff that comes with it all. So, and then we will start walking into Our main living area.
Yeah, so our main living area, similar to the garage area, it's going to be 10-foot sidewalls with a 15-foot vault in the center. So that's going to be kind of the look to it. And ultimately, we can kind of see it's 8, 16, about 24 feet depth, and again 40 feet in terms of the width there. So that's kind of just the kind of a grand entrance, I hope, is what we're hoping for there when it comes to walking into our living and entertaining space.
Yeah, and then as we come in, you're going to see our dining area, which will also have a wood stove in, which I mentioned earlier. So that's something we just love to do, is burn wood. So and then here in the kitchen, we've got a nice big old island. Do you remember how big it is?
8x4.
Okay, 8x4. It'll fit 6 stools, which is nice because there's 6 of us. And then over here is a walk-in pantry. So there'll be kind of a custom built in here with shelves along. And then we have our refrigerator and 36-inch. We're doing a gas stove. Here's the picture windows out to the back with the sink. And then we've got the dining room, like I mentioned, and our living room space there. Do you want to talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, and so kind of backing up to the wood stove as well. So we did get our wood stove all picked out recently, which we're pretty excited about. We got a Low-Pi Endeavor. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's what I'm going with. So we'll have a wood stove there with a nice long pipe that goes up, a black pipe, that'll look pretty nice, I think, when it comes to walking in to the living and entertaining space. And ultimately over here, we're planning to do probably a TV on this wall with some nice seating and in front of these huge windows over here. And that's going to be kind of, we like to entertain, so this is going to be a really cool place for all of those fun things. And then you're probably wondering what this huge run of cabinets is over here, and maybe I'll let you talk about that a little bit.
Yeah, most people wonder what that is until they find out we homeschool and we have 4 kids. So this cabinetry will be this just massive space that will be holding all of our schoolwork. And no matter how hard I've tried, every single year we homeschool in the kitchen. So this will be a nice point to just put it away when we're done and leave it out if we need to. But so yeah, I'm super excited about this space actually. So let's just move on into, we'll call it the bedroom wing. When you first walk in, it's a funny name. Okay, so when you first walk in, you could go for straight forward into our laundry room, which is going to be about 10 feet by 8 feet. And we'll use it a lot. It's going to be a great space. If you go to the left, then you'll hit our master bedroom here, and then we'll have a walk-in to a his and her walk-in closet space. Mike's is going to have his safe. Mine will have a window. We'll continue into the master bath. There's a lot of storage, which is just fantastic. Like I said, our old house did not have much storage, so I'm really excited about that. Nice big tub, single sink because we don't like to clean more than one. And then, what do you call these?
I don't know. Toilet room.
We have a toilet room.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm excited about that too. Okay. You want to talk about the rest?
Yeah. So the other area we have that's kind of, I think will be probably used more than we think it will because, part of building a big kind of footprint like this is there's kind of a lot of dead space in the middle where you can't have windows, you can't have a bedroom. You don't want to fill it up with hallways everywhere. So this game room, we think, is going to be pretty cool. So it's about 18 by 17, so a pretty big space. And so we're probably going to have another TV and couch and sitting area and maybe some cabinets potentially with popcorn maker or whatever, that kind of thing. But it also is going to serve multiple purposes. We're going to have a desk area in this little cubby. We'll look for computer stuff, some storage shelves. We'll ultimately probably have some workout equipment or, whatever makes sense in this space. We don't really have a big plan for it, I guess you could say.
I think our kids do, though.
I think they do. Yeah. So they're I think they're excited about this too. But I think what they're more excited about is the bedroom situation, because in our old house we only had 2 bedrooms and we have 4 kids, so they were each sharing, 2 kids in each room. And so in this house we're making it so they each get their own room, which is going to be fantastic for them. So basically there's going to be kind of, maybe, we don't know how it's going to work out yet, potentially. Well, actually we do.
I
'Cause
think we do.
I think the girls are going to get a little bit bigger bathroom and vanity top, and then the boys over here have a little bit smaller one. So we'll give the girls a little more space. And so ultimately there's going to be girls' bedroom with kind of a bathroom in between, and each of them, nice sized bedrooms for sure, lots and lots of space. And really the boys have the almost the exact same thing. And there also is linen closet kind of outside each of those spaces as well. So definitely some cool spaces for the kids, and I know they're really excited about that. So ultimately that is kind of
I think that's it. We're so excited.
all right. Well, we hope you enjoyed going over the plans with us, and we are planning to document the whole process on our YouTube channel, so make sure and subscribe to stay tuned on all the progress.
Yeah, and we'd love your feedback. Give us feedback on videos you want to see or our floor plan. That would be great.
All right. Well, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more progress.